number system. Basically, first numbers are natural numbers. They are formed to the natural, that is said to be natural numbers. Natural numbers begins with 1, 2, 3 up to so on. There is no end point. Natural numbers having starting with 1. Starting with 1, remember, with 1. Ending unlimited. Ending with infinitive. The symbol of infinite. Finite means not defined. This means not defined. Not to say. So, not to say. This is natural numbers. Now here addition, example, problem part. How will you give problem? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to, for example, 10. It is possible. 55 it will come. Okay, 55 answer. It will be giving a large question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus. It will be taking us more time, but in time 1 minute it is not possible. So it is one process, one formula. So 7 up to 50. We will add this all number 1 to 50, not possible. So this let assume the n. So sigma n means sum of first natural number, first n natural numbers formula. First n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is formula. Sum of n natural numbers. So if you want required to up to 10, sigma n I is equal to 1 to 10. First question. 1 to 10 means n into n plus 1 means 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. The 55. Came the answer I wrote here. Okay, I declared this one. This is if we this one problem 50 up to 50. So here sigma if I is equal to 1 to 50 n. 50 means n plus n plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 25 are. Multiply these two numbers. 25 ones are 25. 2 carry 25 5s are 125. 1 2 7. This is the answer. So not possible to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus. How it is possible? Not possible. This is said to be sum of first n natural numbers process. This one. Okay, if it is squares, for example, problem 2. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like this. N square, n. This formula 6 sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is formula. If it is squares means up to, for example, this is the 10 square. He asked 10 square. How it is possible? So taking time. But we know very well 1 square means 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 16. So up to 100. So we will do the general method. But general method is always not possible. This is a process. So substitute here directly. So here n means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. 2n plus 1. 2 10s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 6. Okay, 3 2s are 3 7s are 7 1s are 7 5s are. Multiply these numbers. Okay, 55 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 5s are 35. 38. 350. 385 is the answer. This is the sum of squares. What we say this from this formula? Sum of first sum of squares of first natural number. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers. Cubes. It is a one more topic. Easy, last one. Cubes of a cube. Problem number 3. Okay, sum of cubes. Cubes means cubes. Sum of cubes is called sigma n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, or one more formula, sigma n whole square also possible. Sigma n already if it is given, for example, if it is given for maybe like this n plus 1 whole square. This is square only, this will come n square, n plus 1 whole square by 2 square means 4, like this. Example, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, so 4 cube, 5 cube, like this. This is how much? 5th standard question. So you can doing addition, my adult cubes 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. It will be taking time. So using of this formula easy. N into n plus 1 by 2 kada. N means here 5. So 5 into 6 by 4. It's whole square. N into n plus 1 by 4. Okay. N into n plus 1 by 4. N into n square into n square. Otherwise I am taking this one here. N into n plus 1 easy purpose. So this also take 5 square, 6 square by 4. Like this also use. Otherwise this one n into n plus 1 by 2. N 5. 5 plus 1 6 by 2. 2 3 is 2 2 is 15 by 2. N into n plus 1 by n into n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Otherwise here 2 kada. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Sigma n whole square. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, 3 5s are 15 square. 15 square means 225. Okay, this is the answer. Apply this also, will get the same answer. Here observe. N is equal to 5 kada. 5 square into 5 plus 1 6 square by 4. Simplification. 5 square and 5 into 5 into 6 into 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again this one 2, this one 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 25. 25 into 9. 9 5 is 45. 4 carry 18 to 25. Same answer. This method, this method. Okay. This is the most important sum of the natural numbers. Okay. Navodaya. Fifth. 6 1 or 2 mark. Okay. Thank you.